Samahan nyo kami sa mga trip namin ngayon, guys. May tayo na ganito. Look at this Spider-Man, I got it. Yung kasama namin. I smell that shit. Sarap. Try ko mag-text. Ayun o. Say it! Say it! Bro.
Boogie now.
Okay now.
Yeah, he's happy now.
Oh, my leg!
Not doing shit.
He's like nonchalant.
He's weak, bro. He's trying to fall.
Wala pang 15 minutes.
What are they? Other than to be broken. You're wearing glass. Your feet. Have you signing
Oh shit! Gago, may usa tol. May usa tol, ayun o. Bro. Nakakatakot.
Thanks, dude. Okay. No, thanks, dude. Okay. I'm not.
Ang unikawanan man kaya to. Nag-basketball si ate, gago, kulit. Ayun, tingnan nyo. Oh shit, we're not getting it. Gago, promise tol, di pa nagsisimula. Lahat bukas na. Eminem. Uwi na kami tol. Kininginayin yung hearts ko para naiwan oh. Kininginin niya. What's up guys, ako na naman to si JR mga herb ko. At tara, samahan nyo na naman ako sa mga mangyayari sa araw dito sa Amerika. Mga tol, ayun na si Trusty. Ayun oh. Ayun na si Trusty tol. Mag-ilamis lang ako tsaka toothbrush. Oh na!
Bro, right as I woke up, they're like, where's JR?
He right there. Ayan par, gagawa na naman kami ng movie. Mag-ano na lang ako. Ilamos toothbrush. Let's go. Ayun guys, paalis na kami ni Trusty. Oh na! Nakalive pala si Trusty sa TikTok guys. Magdadrive muna siya. Tangina, nakaraan tol, sobrang taas ng tubig dyan oh. Nung may tornado warning dito. Samahan nyo kami sa mga trip namin ngayon guys. May tayo na ganito. Ayun oh, ginagawa na yung farm guys. Mayroon ng daan pababa. Tangina, namimiss ko na si tita. Minsan na lang kami magkita ni tita. Mamaya na lang guys. Kita-kita kung saan kami pupunta. Baka mag-Ednis, mag-Ukay, mag-basketball. Iwan pa. Wala, ganun lang naman kasi mga trip dito guys sa Amerika. Kaya, tingnan natin. What?
Sound trip.
Nandito pa kami, di pa kami nakakales at pupunta kami sa dati naming pinupuntahan. Hindi nyo pa alam yun. What up? Ona! What up, Max? Bro, it's been a long time.
Dude, it has that. You sound good, brother.
Magkikita kami guys. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, panoorin nyo. Panoorin nyo, ilalagay ko dito na 420. Yan o, 420 sa USA. First 420 kasama namin si Max. So, abangan nyo guys. Maganda-ganda tong araw na to. Let's go. Sa Spring Hills kami to. Gubat yun. Dito na kami guys sa unang spot. Warehouse 4 Cafe and Bake Shop. Kung matatandaan nyo guys, dito kami nagkape ni Trusty nung araw na tinatuan niya ako. Ito, nung tinatuan niya sa akin guys. Tapos magkakape ulit kami. Order muna kami guys. Ito muna kami. Anong oras na ba? Anong oras na? 12:55 bro. You understand me now. Intindihan na tayo ni Trusty. Anong oras na? This is the same coffee shop that we went to, right? Yep. The day that you did my tattoo. Masarap dito guys. Tingnan nyo alaga ni Trusty guys, si Papi. Papi, nakatayo. Bro, everyone's on the Spider-Man shirt. Spider-Man shirt. Spider-Man shirt. Look at this Spider-Man, I got it. Mali. Different Spider-Man. Different universe. Yung kape namin guys. Natin lang namin FP. Ano kaya mga mangyari ngayong araw?
Kape? Still with the K?
Yan.
Anything else?
Kape. K-A-P-E. KT.
Coffee drink.
ST. Comfort. Ano mga tinuturo nyo kay Trusty?
These fans. You know what they're doing?
Anti-fly.
They're doing the same thing as somebody sitting there. Fanning the table, and all the food.
Sarap din ang FT dito guys. Oh. Yun yung mga FT dito. Ito yung sinasabi ni Trusty. Oh. Ayun, para di ka na magpapaypay. Ayun yung mga FT. Oh. Kasi pag magpapaypay ganyan, tol, basag yan. Bro, I'm thinking how much can I get paid doing that?
They're like, we'll give you.
Bro, doing this 8 hours.
Ozzy Osbourne? You know him?
I don't know him, but
Famous. What's the word for that? Paniki. Paniki. Someone threw a paniki on the stage, and he thought it was fake. So he says he picks it up, bites the head off, and it's red, and it's left. It's red. And then he threw it, spit it out. He did it. Ozzy Osbourne started COVID-20. I mean, Ozzy
do you know about that?
Ozzy Osbourne started COVID-19.
80s?
Somebody throws it, he grabs it, bites the head off.
I'm wondering how the back feels.
He dead.
Think about it. Think about it. What is Tagal?
Tagal.
Tagal is like taking too long. December, nagtatagalog na to. Gusto kasi ni Trusty din matuto magtagalog eh. Right? You wanna
I'm gonna get there, bro.
learn. You wanna learn. He wants to go there. The Philippines.
I want to sit at the Tongits table,
What?
and I want to sit at the Tongits table. I want to be in on the chisme. I want to know about the chisme.
What?
The chisme? You call it chisme? Chismosa? Chismoso?
Oh, chismosa, like a gossip.
What do you call? Is that the word? Chismoso? Same as Spanish? Like,
How do they say it?
like, let's say you're like gossiping, then you would say you're being a chismosa.
If you're a boy.
If you're a boy, and as a girl, you would say chismosa.
Yeah.
But the whole thing is chisme.
Chismis.
Chismes.
Chismis.
I want to sit at the Tongits table. I want to be in on the chismes. I want to know what's going on. I want the dirt. I want the tea. I want the tea.
What tea?
Tea.
Oh,
Like tea that has
Spill
all
the
the
tea.
tea. The tea. You know?
thank you. Ganda ni ate. Ang ganda ni ate. You know what that means?
I don't know what the first part meant. I don't know what you said, and I don't know who it was referred to.
I said she's cute. Punta na kami guys. Kung saan kami pupunta. Let's go, samahan nyo kami ngayong araw tol. Movie time shit! Punta na kami sa dam, mga Earth. Tatambahin namin. Trusty.
But the fuck, bitch. Oh, actually, let's eat these at the shop. Stop at the shop real quick. I gotta pick something up from the shop.
Okay.
Put it in my truck.
Punta kami sa shop ni Trusty. Malapit lang kasi dito yun. Tapos doon na kami kakain.
We'll eat in there real quick. I'll get my shit.
Sander's there?
No. He's only in on the days we're open. Oh, Xander got a booth now. He's not tattooing yet, but he has a spot.
Oh, that's cool. Si Sander guys, malapit na rin magtato. Kasi tinuturuan ni Trusty yun. Yung kasama namin. I still that shit.
You know, in the movie, you seen How High?
Bro, that's my favorite.
You know when they're smelling it and he's like trying to find it?
Yeah. Bro, that's my favorite of all time. Going in a like a classroom.
And they're smoking.
Get him! Get him! You're looking at me, sweaty ass. Get him! You know that part?
Yeah.
That shit is crazy. Nandito na kami guys sa shop nila Trusty. Oh, what's that?
This is my bag for
Florida?
Florida. My
Oh,
tattoo equipment.
ready na si Trusty para sa Florida guys.
Good job on it.
Ooh. Oh, mas gagi. Siya lang gumawa niyan, tol. Pasok muna kami dito sa kanila. Nakakamiss yung tatuan ah. Nakakamiss. Bro, should we do it again? On the other side.
Right now, let's go.
Empty. Empty na kami pa. Ano? Bro, I'm sorry. Ang sarap.
I tattooed a lady. I mixed up these two words because of the fucking Heavy D song. But this table is Malakas, strong. Malakit is sticky.
Nasa kahit malagkit, malakas.
Sticky. Like a weed.
Galing nito ni Trusty guys, natututo na magtagalog ah. FT lang kami guys, tapos tingnan natin kung ano mga mangyari. Kaya nasa gubat na kami no. Dito pa kami sa court, inaantay namin si Max, yung tropa namin. Yung ano, yung nakasama namin sa 420 vlog. Kung di nyo pa napapanood yung 420 vlog, tol, panoorin nyo sa Facebook. Ito, magpapawis muna kami. Wala nga akong dalang sapatos paro. Magpapawis muna kami dito par. Tapos, bomba na. Mag-hoop muna kami par. Basketball! Oh! You gotta skate too. Nag-skate muna ako par. Ang ina, di ako marunong. Woohoo! Try ko mag-text. Show him some tricks, bro. Ang ina, di nyo alam par, magaling to si Trashy mag...
In the J's, bro?
Yeah. Make it jump.
First shot right there.
Ayun o. Woohoo! Di ko kaya yan, tol. Kita yung ring. Kita yung ring, tol. Can't shoot. Oh, mama! Hell yeah! Oh! Bro, you don't got celery?
Selly? What's Selly? Oh. I gotta think about it. I gotta experiment and see what feels right.
You got the aura. Aura going on. Oh, you're telling us to do the...
I don't know what feels right. I think it feels right just to not look at it.
Oh,
You hit it?
nonchalant type shit. Ah! Tayo lang namin si Max tol, tapos baba na mamaya. Yeah, gagawin push up. 10 lang. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! Bro, hindi mo maingin, gago, pagod kami. Wala pa si Max.
We need a shade.
Gago. Ah! Pakita mo. Pull it up. Woo!
He's ready to go.
Bibili muna kami tubig guys. Pagod kami. Tapos papunta na si Max. Matagal ko ng karakter si Max eh. Hindi nyo lang alam eh. Matagal na yun tol. Ayun yung pinakauna sa lahat. Right? Max is the one of the first characters that I got.
Yeah.
They just don't know it.
He's the OG.
Yeah, he's the OG.
Episode 1 type shit.
Ilang kami.
I gotta pee in the here.
Ihi, tapos magugulat kayo, nandun na kami sa ano, sa tubig. Tingnan mo, pagka ganun ko dito, nandun na sa ano, sa rep. O, diba? Gulat kayo, no? Taka na, kami par. Can I have this shit? Can I have this? One more. Skittles. Tayo na si Max, tol. Saan na kaya si Max? Max. Nasaan na ba si Max?
I'm down.
Max!
Dude, bro, I have no idea how to react to being on camera all the fucking time like this.
Bro!
I'm not even gonna lie.
You need to get used to it. Say the word, bro. Say the word. Pukinang ina. Say it. Say it. Bro. Pukinang ina.
I'll be pooping.
Gago. Tol.
Parak.
Iwas. Tus. May parak. May parak tol. Ayun o, sa likod o. May parak.
Parak.
Oh.
Tus.
Bawal.
Bakit naman kumata namin? Two.
Pakin namin kumata namin twos.
Oh, I know the word for it. Puki ng baboy.
What? What's spooky ng baboy?
Big pussy.
You trying to do it? Pasok na kami sa gubat.
Pass
par.
the fuck out.
Ayun o, tignan yung gubat. Gubat! Gubat
Gudak.
Forest. Gubat. Putang ina. Nakakatakot dito par. Punta kami sa blunt truck.
One time, I will say, I definitely
Lakad-lakad lang, walk trip. Wala eh, walang pasok eh.
be out wrong.
Ginawa si boy dito man. Pag wala kang trabaho tol, tapos wala kang ginagawa. Ako wala pa akong kotse, kaya di ako makapunta kung saan mang gusto. Sakto, wala rin pasok si Trusty. Kaya nandito kami ngayon sa Yellow Springs na ano. Basta gubat to par. Tapos may tambayan kami dito yung blunt truck. Tara, punta tayo dun. Ngayon ang dami na palang tattoo ni Trusty kay Max kasi magtropa talaga to dati pa eh. Bro, that's all Trusty's?
Yeah, all this.
Where's the other one? The other leg. On the ribs.
All the ribs, bro.
Look at that.
You got the fucking, either this one.
Oh, bro,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
all colored.
Yeah, all color. Oh, yeah, a little baby devil. I call it a baby angel. Little baby devil.
Look at that ass. Pana kami doon par. Ayun o, pumiligay ng taas o. Ayun o. Ang taas tol, pumiligay na.
Off-roading.
Ay, go. Nag-skate sa ano.
On the dirt.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna get caught up on the roof.
On the dirt. What?
Usa!
May usa. Bro, that shit is a horse. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, there's a family in here. Ang dami par. No. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that.
Yeah, they'll fuck with you. When they got their kids around, they'll fuck with
Don't look at me like that, bro.
you. Bro.
I'm gonna run. Taka na pag inabol ako nito, tatakbo ako par. Like a kangaroo, bro. I mean, that's their cousin, right?
Yeah, you fucking with your cousin.
I don't fuck with no usa kangaroo type shit. Baka maboxing ako ng usa. Ayoko nun. Nakakatakot. Tinitigan ako. You see how he's staring me? Bro, he didn't flinch.
With my anak.
Tanginang yan, nakakatakot pala yun usa. Pukinang ina.
I'm not gonna lie.
Sobrang
When
sukal.
you said that, I cracked my Bible open for the first time in 3 months.
Oh yeah? May tao sa blunt truck, tol. Ayun o, kumakanta sila. Chill lang sila dun. Bro, someone's on the blunt truck, bro. That is the blunt truck, right?
Yeah. But we got a second blunt log.
Bro, someone's in it.
We got blunt log.
We got the blunt log.
With
Here's the
blunt
view.
log.
Here's the view.
Look at that shit! Oh.
Ang inang taas, tol.
And you felt the presence of a...
Woo! Bomba na. Show it. Show it, Max. Show the joint. Show the joint.
You narrate over. I do voiceover. That's cool. It'll be on there like.
You know what they like when I do that?
What?
Because I'm high when I'm doing that. It's funny to them. It's easy to make them laugh. Because they do it also. They high also. When
They're
watching
stoned.
it.
So they get all okay.
You're stoned
It's like we're just
narrating it.
friends.
It's related. Yeah.
I'm just telling the story when what happened on my day.
You're like, we went to the Blunt Rock. The Lumineers were over there playing a concert, so we went to the Blunt Log. Now we're at the Blunt Log. Mac got the joint.
Oh
He
yeah.
behind shit.
And Max is lighting it up. Look at that smoke coming out of it from his nose. Yeah. Look at that. He's happy now.
That's so good.
He's about to pass it now. He's looking. Oh, if I can just translate the way he said it, like Ron Henley, my idol on rapping, he just described on how the what's this thing? Thumb, and this one.
Index finger.
He's just describing it in a different way. When the thumb and the index finger connects. It looks like you're holding a joint, right? This two connects. It's time to blow the trumpet. Just like
Oh,
blowing
like
the
a,
joint.
what do you call that? Like an entendre?
Yeah. It's like playing with the words, and it's cool. Got a good pen game, bro. I wish I could translate it like perfect.
Your fucking English is crazy good for like only 2 months or whatever since I last seen you, dude. That's insane.
Was it you? Bro, I
Yeah.
missed you.
Thanks, dude. I miss you too, brother.
You're the OG, bro.
Word?
You're the OG.
Why am I the OG?
He's like the first character, and you're like the second one.
Yeah.
Because right now I got a lot of characters. I got even a sugar mommy right now.
Yeah.
She got like the jewelries on always,
Yeah.
and I just did like a. Kasi sa beach ko pa lang palis ka na. It's like something like that. I just did like a TikTok, and we got 1 million views like that.
Damn.
Doing that. Just like a sarcastic thing.
Like a sugar
Sugar
mama
mommy.
type of trend, type of video.
Right on.
Bomba na par. Ganito lang dito par, chill lang. Ibang anggulo par.
I think that was the
Alam mo,
last
tambay
fall
lang.
position. Yeah, my hands have been fucked up, bro. Even with not falling on them.
You right?
I'm like, I'm
working
scared.
them?
I don't even want to fall on them again.
No, definitely.
How about this little fucking rope?
Gogo, di na kami nagugubas. We're not getting stoned.
On shit?
Gumiyak. Gubas na ang mga tao. Okay na yun. Ito, chill sila. Samang sayo. Tama yung una to ah. Tangin na siya ito ni Mok. Kinikain ko yun. Samahan nyo tol kung saan pa kami pupunta. Tingnan nyo naman. Gago. Tangin na. Sana makaway pa kami ba? Tingnan nyo dito tol. Paano kami
I
palayo?
think it benefits your health, like
Papasok.
for real.
Yeah, I think like
May nakalaglag oh.
Cause someone's gonna come back and they'll be like, where'd
May
the ball go?
nakalaglag oh.
Where'd the ball go?
May nakalaglag. Putangin na mo. Bahala ka dyan. Empty tayo Skittles. Okay na yun na, ito na. Lalabag na kami sa batas. Ba kami par. Doon kami dun.
watch out for this metal thing.
Napuntahan na namin to eh. Uy. Watch out. Watch out for that.
Damn, look at that little fucking.
That's a spot, bro. Should we go there?
I don't know. You could try. I'm gonna go down this way.
Yeah, let's go down. Ba kami guys, tara, samahan nyo kami.
You see him?
Where? Where?
They're right there. So, oh, you good? What happened?
Oh, we got spiders. Bro, you hit by the metal? By the metal? By the metal? The metal got you, bro? Bro, the metal got you?
It got me, bro.
Bro, we said it to you. Bro, I'm gonna grab this spider and make him fight.
Okay, it's right there though. You see it?
Kukunin ko lang, wait. Tingnan nyo guys, kumuha ako ng gagamba kasi takot sila sa gagamba eh. Look at that. Hey. You want it?
Charlie. Charlie.
Ayaw nila maniwala na ano. Ayaw nila maniwala. Chill. Ayaw nila maniwala na kapag inipan, natutulog. When I blow it, look.
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll the stick and it's gonna wake up. It's going to walk.
Hey, watch out, watch out.
It's going to walk. See?
I
But when I blow it, it's gonna sleep. Look at that.
No fucking way, bro.
Look at that.
That's it.
That's the trick, bro.
And then do it
You're
again.
just gonna roll it. You just need to sense something. Look at that.
Now put him back to sleep.
It's moving, right?
Put it back to sleep.
Dude.
Put it to sleep.
I can also play with it. I'm gonna make him do a trick.
Okay.
Oh shit, I'm gonna do a trick, bro. This shit, we practice this shit for a long time. Now get up, bro. Get up, bro.
way.
Get up, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This is our toy, bro, in Philippines.
He's asleep.
Yeah.
So can you take him with us?
You
Just
can
sleep.
take him with us.
You
but
can make him.
We need another one, bro.
Oh, my leg.
We need another one.
I can't believe the shit I'm seeing right now.
You really want to see it fight?
Yeah.
We got Spider there. Can you hold this?
There's got to be another one down here. No, there's got to be. Let's go find another one from another hood.
Hanap muna kami guys, nandito na kami sa baba sa spot well. Chillin'. Chillin' like a villain. Ito na guys, paglalabayan na natin, nakakuha na ako.
No fucking way. That's a beefy ass motherfucker, bro. Oh, that's a
Ain't no way, bro! Paglalabayan na natin, tol. Ah, madai.
Oh,
You're gonna touch it. So you can feel it.
up. There they go. There they go, bro. I can't believe what I'm seeing. No way, bro.
This is your last fight. I'm gonna kill both of you. Ayun na, pag. Laban na.
Fight to the death. Let's go.
Are you guys brothers? What
Maybe
the
they're
fuck?
cousins.
You guys friends? Tangina, supil.
Way, they're going at it now. This little one's feisty, bro.
What the?
I'm filming this shit on my phone, too.
It's na to, putang ina.
Round 5.
This is the last fight. If they don't fight, I'm gonna kill both of them.
Come on, I see the big guy. He's walking now. Go at it. They're upside down about to fight.
Fight, motherfucker. Oh, they're throwing a jab.
Jab, jab, jab. The little one's doing shit. The big one is scary. He's not doing shit.
He's like nonchalant.
He's
bro.
weak, bro. He's trying to fall. Yeah, that's the type of shit I like. I like that part.
You like that?
I fuck with that.
Ayaw niyo maglaban? Okay ng ina niyo. Bomba na naman. Bomba na naman. Takot sila sa gagamba, tol.
I'll fuck with it.
They don't fuck with spiders here. Tangina, ngayon nga lang sila nakakita na naglalaban eh. Iba kasi mga trip nila dito, tol. Ayun, dito na kami sa ilalim. Solid. Ayun na, shoutout sa mga tropa ko dyan. Miss ko na kayo, tol. Kumpador. Shoutout sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. Puro na yun. Magla-load na si Trusty, guys. Load. Trusty nagla-load na tayo, oh, ng kamay. Ang lamesa. Ikaw sa taas, Yogi. Pero wala kami.
Stuff I had before.
This thing looks nice.
It's white.
Naamoy nyo, par. Amoy nyo na lang sa screen. Isang kamay lang mag-roll yan sa Trusty, tol. Combo na naman, tol. Mama na naman. Pamba na. Ganda ng view, par. Ready tao. Ipat kami, par. Tol, babalik kami sa Blaan Truck. Lagi ang kulit. Kamalibot na kami dun. Back in the game. Tangina, nakakatakot din dito. Para ito, tatawirin namin to. Tangina, wala akong medyas. Ayun, nakatawid na kami. Nandun kami kanina. Kaya nandito na kami. Kung nasan yung mga tao kanina. At ito, akatin namin to. Paano kayo akitin to, par? Yung cellphone number, par. Oh, shit! Solid tong easy, di ako nadudulas ah. Muntik pa lang. Whew! Kapagod. Balik kami sa Blaan Truck, tol. Okay na. Hindi nyo ito ba? Sino sa mira na ito? Nagubiyak. Nagubiyak, ang ganda, tol.
Oh, it must be my termite.
Nagubiyak ko.
Look at that hollow asshole.
This is the way to the upside down.
You probably could.
You guys know that?
Yeah.
Maybe this is the way to the upside down. Nakatakot yun ah.
Way down.
Ayun, putol para. Gago ang kulit. Dito yung blantra ko. Dito. Dito yun. Uminingin na. What did you say? What did you say?
I said, kami may-ari neto, bro. I don't want to switch it up. I don't want to say the other.
Tangin na may tao kasi. Sabi ni Trusty, tangin na mo kami may-ari na ito. May tao sa sa blunt rock. Oh. Is that dead?
Oh, he's alive. Watch. He's sleeping. Go to fucking bed. I forget how to say to go to bed in Tagalog.
Tulog ka na.
Tulog ka na. Tulog ka na.
Bro, maybe she's having a hard time.
Yeah. Yeah, I did kind of want to join, bro. I don't want to join it.
Fuck her, bro.
I don't want to join it.
Bomba tayo, par. You know what I just uploaded last night?
What'd you upload?
It's a 51-minute video, bro.
Jesus, that's a long video.
It's like a movie.
I can show you one shot because I haven't been taking. So it was like a blank ass, like tan room.
Two sound bites. One where we're inside and maybe some chat. She heard me earlier.
What she said?
Remember when I walked by?
Kaya mo, tangin mo.
She heard it and she was like, damn. Bullies.
Yeah. Dito na kami guys sa blunt rock po. Kinangin na yan. Nakalimutan ko yung gana ko. Naiwan ko. Oo, gubas na kasi ako par.
Any day now, this shit.
Pangalawang ano na yun. Pangalawang ano na yun par. Pangalawang bomba.
This was the shot I got.
Gago,
So I had
tignan
the
naman,
camera all the way down there, straight up looking at me,
Nakatakot
and I
dito par.
ran all the way up.
Dito muna nga kayo sa gilid.
Like my parents.
Samahan nyo kami.
Yeah, it looks like a hole.
Pwede
I look back.
Pwede mo po dito. Tangin na dun. Iba puro lumot. Pwede dito pa. Santaso. Ito yung tinatawag nila blunt rock.
You ain't gonna fuck
Dito
with me?
kami nag-edlis.
I'm just.
You ever see the memes?
Yeah, you look exactly like it too.
Bomba na naman tol. Asian what? What you say? Asian what?
That's an Asian big booty bitch.
I said, this is the type of shit I be looking up. Asian, and then he said that. I'm looking up Asian cigarette squat.
Oh, gubas na ako tol.
A joint. Holy shit, bro. Send the rotation this way. We gotta switch it. Up. Let's confuse the fucking world.
Let's confuse the system, bro. Fuck the
Break the
system. Yeah.
Kabomba na wala pang 15 minutes.
What are they?
Other than to be broken,
You're wearing glasses.
you know.
Kasama ko gago.
Or maybe when it's cold.
Kayo ba?
Or
Mas
that, or
damage
after
nyo.
this
And then
cold
after the cold
thaws.
goes away.
That's probably what it is. It's probably when
Gago.
it gets really
But
cold.
still, imagine
Vlogger na ako
the
na
1 month.
ulit.
It could be any time.
Subscribe nyo man. 100k
That's a
subscribers.
lot
Let's
of
go.
rock, bro.
It's happening.
Bomba na. Mepti ka rin na.
Squirrel.
Ang ina, hindi pa kami mepti mamaya paglabas.
10 squirrel over here, bro.
Tuloy ang bomba tol.
10 fucking cents.
Brother.
I'm meant to do a crook on the left.
That,
But if
that
you
shit
wanna
looks
know-
bad, bro.
Yeah.
A little cut.
That shit, that's not the little cut.
Bro,
Yeah.
it's just because this is
Bro.
like dry blood here.
It's a scrape.
See?
It's like
Just to get out of the
you
way.
got bitten by the dog.
You don't.
You need a.
You don't
what's
want to
that?
leave it. Get rabies. Yeah, you don't want to.
need
But
a
you
shot.
have a rabies shot.
If you have a rabies
Yeah,
shot, you
but-
still have to go to the doctor to get like that
Yeah,
clean,
but they don't shot.
professional. Because it's
Now you're
red.
thinking, bro.
No, bro, I'm good, bro.
You're good.
Bro, I'm
That's
solid.
just a.
Trust me, bro. I'm telling you, you're good. Just
You know what
go
I'm gonna
make
do?
sure that you're good.
Realistically, I'm so.
You should clean it.
I will.
Deep clean.
I got.
Yeah.
I'll do all that shit. But if I go to the hospital, bro, to get a tetanus shot, bro, that's so fucking expensive.
Yeah.
14
Gago, ano
pills.
ba?
Bro, I got a bill
Magpatetano ba siya?
That got reduced, but it's still
Ba kasi mga,
$600.
di ba? Kailangan niya din ng tetano shot, tol. Kaso nga
A
gusto
tetanus
niya.
shot will probably be like $1,000. 1,000? 1G, bro?
What
I don't
the
know.
fuck?
So you're like,
To my mom.
Ang ina kasi
My mom
natamaan
works
pa ni
in the
Trusty.
school, so she has help and care. Nah, bro. You're good.
sheesh.
Don't say none of that. That's gonna
What
be a
the
fucked
fuck?
up video to play at your funeral. Of you signing
Oh shit! Oh, that was some good shit. was good.
That was good,
At the same time.
My God.
I'm putting it out. I'm gonna get home and I'm gonna clean it, right?
Ayun
I'm gonna be precautious.
Napapraning na si Trash.
This is what I'll do. I'll take a picture now of what it looks like in the daylight.
Yeah,
Get a
man.
good quality.
If it looks way worse by the time you get home, I would be like, that would be a sign.
Tera na
And then
siya,
let me take a
right?
video for second.
He needs a tera na siya, right? What do you think? He needs it?
I hope not.
It looks bad because I couldn't scrub it. You know? I didn't touch
Yeah,
it
maybe
to
it's
scrub
just...
it. I think this blood that pulled up, it just makes it look so gnarly.
Well, it is kind of got
And it's got red around it, but I also,
That's nothing.
the little bit of red around it, I got some skin shit. Like if I get a scratch, it'll raise up.
Tangina, sana safe lang, tol.
You don't have to stick it. It'll cure your tetanus.
It will. And Jesus, bro. Big JC.
Jesus.
Ano pinag-uusapan na namin yung ano, tol, sa
Well, I
teta, no?
slept on my neck wrong a couple days ago. But that's some regular Wednesday shit, you know?
Right, right.
Tangina ngayon, sana
Jaw
wala lang to.
cramping is like, that's like when you
Hindi
like,
muna ang tubig kami lang.
That's like,
Time check, guys. Time check, 5:20. Uling na, pabalik na kami, par. Pabalik na kami. Dun sa park. May court, may skate park. Samahan nyo kami, tol. Parang ano, tawag din. Nagbablog na sa gubat. Ayun, tingnan nyo yung mga dinadaanan. Ipakita ko na ito eh, lakas nyo. Ayun yung mga shrooms. Kainin mo. Ito par, bababa. Bababa, tingnan nyo. Be careful, bro.
where I was flipping.
Bababa tayo, guys. Buti na lang, sanay tayo bumaba. Ingat, tol. Tayo sa park, tol. Ang inang yan, nakakatakot. Ayaw ko magpagabi dito. Gago, may usa, tol. May usa, tol. Ayun, oh. Bro. Nakakatakot. Look at that. Tignan nyo, guys. Usa, oh.
that's crazy.
Ang lapit nun, gago. Nakakatakot.
You right there.
What are we talking about?
Oh, I want to make an educated statement. I
Oh,
don't put
yeah.
money on it. I don't think in the time of this place being an attraction of the town of Yellow Springs, I want to make the statement and say you're the only person who's ever made spiders fight in this forest.
Yeah.
Probably true.
The spiders of this forest have never fought due to some humans interaction. They may have fought on their own, but on a stick for a stage on camera,
they
bro.
were never made
Bro,
to
we
fight.
just made them spiders famous and killed them on camera.
Yeah.
Crazy, that's some terrorist shit.
Yeah, no man has made spiders fight for their own entertainment. In this
First
place.
man. First man to do a spider fight.
Yeah, first man to make spiders fight in the Yellow Springs, bro.
That shit's crazy, bro. Pabalik na kami, par. Tangina, ako pala unang nakapagpalaban ng mga gagamba dito, par. You wanna know something? Title of this vlog, Spider Fight.
Spider fight.
Yeah,
About it, actually.
Spider Fight. Title ng vlog na to para Spider Fight. Tangina niyan, solid. Kita tayo dun para sa park. Gati kami dun. Pizza. Thanks.
I'm not, but if you guys are, we'll take it.
No, not just for me. Y'all can have whatever. I'm gonna get a whole pizza.
Pili muna kami tol. Pizza kami down.
Yep.
Gago, barag na barag ako, niyak na ako.
A lot of the shit you'll see when I show you the film.
Nangigits na ako. Sobrang ano yung mata ko ah. Parang basa. Basa.
Could have been a minimum report.
Nagkamali ng binigay guys yun.
Damn, they're kind of hot.
Nagkamali. Dapat may bato eh. Kaso ito yung nagawa. Tapos libre na lang daw. Libre to.
And they gave us this for free.
Ang sarap.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this on your side. You want this?
Namat ka trusty.
Empty na.
Watch, he's about to do it too. Look, it's in the genetics. He can probably eat it 50 more degrees hotter than I can eat it. But I could probably eat it at 400 degrees. But in his DNA, because I'm only halfway there, bro, look how hot this shit is. He can eat this, bro.
Oh, I can't.
No, I can't.
No?
It's a little too hot.
Mhm.
Place 1,000.
Pumusok to eh.
Yeah. I'm fucking brother.
Manok. Ah. Pangusap.
Give me glasses. You gotta give people get glasses. Like prescriptions.
Ano mo yan?
If we were to go sit in the car, for example, or listen to
parang
music,
yan.
have to. I mean,
May dumating pa.
Hotter than it is.
Sa ilalim mo.
yeah.
Mainit. Ay, tama. Ang na sarap. Tapos na kami par. Vibe sa Trusty. Solve. Good. Tangin na, nandito na kami, tol. Sa court ulit. Kunin namin nagdo-basketball, babae.
You want this bone here?
What?
You want this bone?
Yeah. Kunin kawanan man kaya to. Nagdo-basketball si ate, gago, kulit. Ayun, tingnan nyo. Basketball tayo mamaya. Ay, basketball tayo, papawis. Takin na! We just ate, bro! Laban na to! Kunin na, pagod na kami, tol. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-video, par. Malalobat na kasi. Yung ano ko eh. Yung cellphone ko, tol.
Search the journey.
Pabounce na kami, par. Paalam lang kami, Max.
Bro, my stomach.
Gusto mo, maglaro ka muna dito, iwan kita.
Shit.
Kasi Max.
It's alright, bro. You smoked a lot of weed.
Yeah. Woo!
My bad, Pam.
Bounce na kami, par.
Nowhere
Bro.
Peace out, dude.
Peace out.
Don't be sad. I'll be back.
Max! I left my keys in the car.
Oh, shit.
Ooh. Bounce na kami, tol.
Ew.
Tangin na yan. Sabog
I'm
na
gonna hit
sabog
you
ako.
up.
Sabog na sabog ang mga kuya niyo. Uwi na kami, par. Yung araw, tigil na naman ako. Huwag kong kakas nila tatay, oh. Nice tay. Bago silaw na kami, tol. Tara, titigan. Oh, kining-ina, muntik na namin makalimutan tong Playtos, par. Ayun o, Blinka. Muntik na namin makalimutan to. Taka na, mag-Playtos nga pala. Ano na, par? Alas 8 na. Oh shit. Playtos kami, par. Muntik na namin makalimutan to. Dat pauwi na kami. Naalala ko lang din Playtos eh. Tara, tingin muna tayo, par. Baka may makita tayo ditong magandang... Hindi yun, di ako nagpupunta dito para sa ano, nagpupunta dito para may mabili ako, gago. Mura kasi dito, par. Tsaka mga pang PSG ba. Kasi nga magpo-Florida kami, di ba? Baka may makita tayo maganda sapatos. So tara, pasok tayo. Pasok na tayo sa tarima, par. Ayun, ano to? Crocs. Ano to? Jordan. 19 lang ako, guys. Ano kayo makukuha ko ngayong araw? Magulat na lang isa makukuha ko, tignan nyo. Pero, kanina kaso mahal. 20. Ito, mahal naman. Balikan ko to par. Ano yung likod? Sando lang. Tapos 20, mahal gagi. Wala ka dyan.
Round number 2.
Should I get this? Or should we flip it again?
That's what I'm saying. Is this up to the coin flip?
Coin flip. Kung bibiling ko ba to? Look at this. Essentials.
Coin flip?
Yeah. Oh shit, we're not getting it.
I'm having a hard time this time, bro.
You should get it if you want. Get it if you want, bro. Hindi ko mabili, mahal kasi. Ayun o. Tapos meron pa dito, tol. Ang gaganda ngayon dito, para. Ito pa, par. May nakita pa ako, pamormo. Pamormo to, par. Patago ko nga itong mga to, par. Kupal. May nakita ko dito, guys. Oh. Pamain. Ano to? Ano mo? Kita na burat mo dyan. Para ano, par. Kunin ba natin to? Tingnan nyo, ganda. $20. Ito din oh. $20 for a shoe. What should I get? What you think?
The shoe, the tank.
6-7. Ganda paro. You good?
Ready?
Yeah. Wala par. Ito na talaga.
The boosters.
Kunin ko na to par. Baka mawala pa eh. Sayang. Let's go. Nangina na. Nabili na natin.
Easter egg.
Tangina ni... We just...
Hit an Easter egg.
Tangina pinaglaro lang namin sarili namin. We even did a flip, bro, and we still bought it.
I'm not listening to coin flip.
So ayun guys, pukiningin yan. Bounce na kami para tignan nyo na lang. Tignan kami sa pan guys. Pukiningin na. Pagod na tol. Pagod.
We made it all the way back.
Pukiningin sabog na sabog.
I'm motherfucking tired, bro.
High and tired.
Oh, it's here.
Going, bro. Nice game.
Good game.
Nice game and fuck this Sando. Ingat tol.
Yes, sir. See you next weekend. We'll link back up and we'll make a plan for the drive.
Yeah.
See who's driving.
Abangan ng Florida trip.
Subscribe, my paga.
Bounce ka na tol. Umiyak na naman si Trusty. Bounce na ako bar. Baka manood kami ng ano eh. Kago, wala sila Andrea. Saan sila? Alam ko, nanonood kami ng Spider-Man yun eh. Tingnan nga natin. Saan na yung mga yun? Wait ah. Iwan ako. Pangina, wala sila tol, basag. Hindi ako makapasok ng bahay, gago. Walang tao. Ayun, dito ako sa labas eh. Hindi ko mabuksan yung pinto tol. Nakalak. Ayun na, nabuksan ko ng ganda para kapakita ko sa inyo lalak ulit natin. Baka di kayo maniwala eh. Ayun na, ayun na. Ay, nalak ko. Oh. Easy. See that? Easy. Nagantay, pero nagantay din ako ng mga 10 minutes. Nabasag pa ako konti. Dahil walang tao dito. Tayo, nakapasok na tayo. Tingnan natin kung manonood ba kami ng Spider-Man ngayong araw o hindi. Ewan ko pa. Dahil wala sila. Andre, nandun sila kala tita. Tara, let's go. Dilim! Naligo na ang mga herb. At Manonood kami ng Spider-Man. Tatlo kami, si Daddy, ako, tsaka si Andreng. So, magbibihis lang ako. Tangin na may kwento daw si Andre, tol. Bagawin ko, bago niya yung kwento, bubomba muna ako. Sabi ko, wag mo muna yung kwento. May magbibihis muna. Gawin muna natin lahat para video natin. So, magbibihis lang ako, guys. Wait lang, mabilisan lang to. Let's go! What is up, guys? Ito na, par. Manonood na kami ng Spider-Man. Naligo na ako. Ang dami na nangyari kasi gabi na nga, 10:45 na yung vlog. At mamaya makikwento na natin. Ako nga magdadrive papunta doon. So, ikakwento ni Andrea kapag habang nagdadrive ako. So, tara.
Hi guys, papunta kami ngayon sa Cinemark. Manonood kami ng Spider-Man. Kanina nag-playtos kami ni Daddy kasi si JR umalis kasama ni Trusty, di ba? Nag-playtos din kayo, di ba? Saan? Diyan din. Buti di tayo nakita.
Iniisip ko nga eh.
Kung
Sabi ko nga,
magkatapo.
nakakatawa to kung nandito rin sila Daddy. Sabi ko nga,
Anong oras?
Ha?
Anong oras kayo nagpunta?
Yung bago niya ako yatid po.
Wala na kami, nandun na kami kinatita. Pakita mo muna yung bago mong sapatos, di. Ang tindi, oh. Nakita mo ba, Ar? Alam mo kung nasan yan.
Jordan 11.
Natago pa yan.
Nakatago yan, nandun yan sa counter. Asan na yung tag, di?
Hindi gago, nakalimutan ko bumomba. Para pwede ako, di ba?
Oo.
Tingnan ko.
Kaliwa ka
Dalawa
na.
yung laman, dalawa yung presyo.
Doon lang sa una lang dyan.
Tingnan mo yung presyo, JR. Dalawa.
Wait, nandun yan, tinuturo niya, sabi niya sa akin, Dreng, tanong mo kung magkano yun, no? Eh di tinanong ko kung magkano, hindi pa nadidikit eh, kumbaga na-print pa lang yung presyo. Sabi niya, these are $35. Sabi ko, yeah, what size? 9.5, eh di gago, tuwa siya. Kasi yung size niya,
Di tangin na,
plus
9.5.
35. Tapos sabi ng babae, isang piraso pa lang binibigay, sabi ko, no, you will get it, you will buy it. Okay, ganun.
Kulit agad.
Kukunin agad. Tapos sabi, okay, the price is, yung tag daw nasa loob. Pagkita namin, gago, 4 na piraso yung tag.
Paano yun?
Ano?
Pinilas niya, gago, sabi, Dreng, tapos mo na yan. 75 talaga.
75 tsaka 35.
Ito guys,
Ay, nakalagay
Magkano
Jordan,
binayaran?
75.
binayaran niya 35. Pero nakalagay talaga Jordan 75. Ayun ah, 75. Yung binayaran niya, ito lang 35.
Pinunit ko ka.
Pinunit niya agad.
Pinunit mo?
Oo, tapos binulsa niya to.
Agad 35.
Tapos binulsa niya to, gago. Ba't
Binuha
kaya
ko
hindi
eh.
nagtaka yung babae no, sa presyo?
Oo.
Nagulat kami kasi Jordan, tapos 35 lang.
Tapos bago.
Kaya lang sabi ko,
Ayun,
di,
tingnan mo.
konsensya kalaban mo dyan.
Eh kaya lang nilalabanan ng pagka-excited ko eh. Yung konsensya ko nilalabanan ng pagka-excited.
Baka naman iba yung 70.
Tanga, yan yun.
75.
Ayun o, nakalagay yung Jordan.
Ano Jordan?
Yung isa Nike lang,
9.5. Pares
9.5.
9.5.
Eh may Air Force One sa ibabaw.
Eh may Air Force One sa ibabaw.
Ano nararamdaman mo, di?
Scammer ka, di.
Nakukonsensya ako pero sobra excited.
Saan yung platos pero dudong pa rin.
Umalis agad, gago, nagbabayad pa ako, iniwan ako doon, dinala yung sapatos niya. Oo.
Baka magkabaw yan eh.
Tapos sabi niya, ano yun, Dreng, baka pagbalik natin, makilala nila ako, singilin daw siya ng 40.
Wala na yun.
Natipid ako ng
Na-punch na
40.
yun eh.
Oo.
$40 ha.
Tangina yun pala yung kwento, mga scammer kayo.
Yun lang guys, rate nyo daw yung forma ni Dudo ngayon.
Alala ko tuloy si Lolo Fred. Pinapalitan yung tag.
Nike, Jordan.
Pakita mo yung mga suot mo.
Pakita
di.
mo yung suot mo, di. Nike, Jordan, na scam pa.
Yung ira.
Yung ira pa.
Ang hirap, ha?
Pero yung bag, dapat di mag-invest ka na sa bag mo.
Wala, ibibili ako Jordan.
Jordan
pa rin.
din. Backpack, bilhin mo di.
Naghanap na niya doon ng brief na Jordan rin eh. Totoo,
Wala
tama.
nga, naghahanap na ako brief eh.
Saan ba tong scene yan? Naka-park lang?
Sa Kroger, hindi. Papasok tayo sinihan. 3D yun eh. Paano kasi sinihan ay sa parking kung 3D? Yun lang guys, kita-kits mamaya.
Hi guys!
Ay, tapos na.
Ito na kami guys. Ayan na. Tingnan nga ng forma mo di. Patay tayo sa'yo daddy. Ginanapan mo na naman. Dito na kami guys sa Sinian. At bibili na ng ticket si Andreng. 10:55 kami papasok. 10:39 na. So maghahantay muna kami. Tago par solid tong araw na ito. Dami nangyari. Ito forma ko pala ngayon. Sweet boy lang muna. Tapos walang sombrero. So yun na lang. Kapapicture muna ako yan.
Ano natin
Let's go.
to?
Magkano yung ano?
1750.
Tatlo yung 1750 isa guys. No, $1750 isa tapos May dalawang card kami na ano, bigay nino.
Maybe house two on the left.
Thank you.
Bigay nino.
Ito Joker kanina.
Shoutout kay Tito Joker, thank you sa dalawang ano. So bali binayaran lang 1750. Ang galing
Ito ba
galing.
tayo pa? Hi.
Tingnan natin ang mga kaganapan guys. Gusto ko ng madaming FT tol. Gusto ko food trip na sarap. Uy, may mga salamin. Ito guys, nag-ano na kami ng food trip. Ito, may mga candy oh. May mga chichirya guys.
Ang linaw nyo.
Ano kaya pwede? Maganda kaya yung Spider-Man. Hindi na ako may taglasis si Dudong.
Meta. Record.
Ano yun namin natin? Sabi yung katrabaho ko nandito, ayun o. Si Sir. Katrabaho sa Chipotle, ayun o, ayun o. Sabi yung sarap. Wait lang nga, papasok na muna kami dahil nagkakagulo-gulo na. Tapos nandito pa yung katrabaho ko, gagawin gulo. Bato? Parang bakla, nakakapingon. Peke naman yung nabili. Tuwan-tuwa pa. Peke yan. Tangina, hindi pa ako nakakabomba. Putang ina, naiwan ko pa sa kotse yung bomba ko. Bad trip. Yaman na nga. Normal muna tayo ngayon, par. Let's go. Ayun na, simula no. Kami, par. Nakaiga kami. Sarap, tol. Sana kayo din. Naririnig nyo, tol. Ayun, no. Mamaya na lang. Par, mamaya na lang. Salamat sa inyo, par. Tuloy-tuloy na to, par. Hindi, tol, seryoso. Gagawin ko lang ng gagawin to, par.
Martik po tayo.
Pasimula, ubos na FT. Buwan ko kayo. Sarap gago. Sana kayo rental FT habang nanonood sa akin ha.
Ba yung salamin?
Tol, huwag niyo kalimutan gawin yung mga kailangan niyo gawin sa buhay niyo. Pakunin niyo yung mga kanyabag kayo. Dapat ginagawa niyo pa rin mga ginagawa niyo buhay niyo. Gago, promise tol, di pa nagsisimula. Lahat bukas na. Eminem.
I've seen they're 100% stupid as usual. President Snowden. If we can stop it.
Unang sinig ko pala sa Amerika to, guys. Ay, gago, pumapasok.
Ano po yung pasok?
Yung tao.
Sa mata mo?
Nakalabas siya tol. I-explain ko na lang ah.
Galing na guys.
Pumapasok yung ano, yung daga. Nagpunta sa akin. Oh, yung kamay niya parang niya matatamaan. Oh.
Pakina mo may ganyan sa Pinas.
May ganito ba sa Pinas? Lakas ng amats ko, guys. Okay na yun, tapos na tol. Tara na.
Chocolate ano?
Ni Ned, naalala ni Ned. Nag-appearance sila tol. Gago, kinikilabutan ako. Kinikilabutan ako, bar. Ang ina, pangit ng ending tol. Nakakabitin. Lagi tol, tangin na, ang ganda.
Tapos yung next
Tangina.
time na 2 years ulit.
Tangin na yan, gago. 5 years nga eh. 2021, 2026 na eh. Tangin na guys, gago.
Sabi ko hindi na yung nag-iilig. Pagtingin ko nakakala.
Tangin na, isipin nyo tol. Yung ano, yung huling parte, di oh. Di ba, nakalimutan na, tas
Tapos biglang parang reflex na naging reflex.
nag-appearance sila ni, nag-appearance si Ned tsaka si Spider-Man, tol.
Ay, picture tayo dyan.
Ako muna. Picture muna kami.
Gusto ko na-picture kayo pa spider.
Uwi na kami, tol. Kiningin na yun yung cards ko para naiwan, oh. Kininginin yan. So, hanggang dito na lang, guys. Solid tong araw na to. Tangin na yan. Nakakabitin yung Spider-Man. Tangin na sana naman. Wag naman sobrang tagal bago sila mag-upload. Ako nga, araw-araw nag-upload. Sana sila rin. Pwede ba yun? Araw-araw sila mag-upload. So, yun na. Pero sige na, guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa mga nanonood. Huwag nyo kakalimutan. Umepti. At uminom ng tubig. Bye-bye.